Yutai Machinery Factory is located in the capital city of ceramic, Chaozhou. Since 2010, we have been manufacturing all kinds of machines for making ceramic tableware, such as ball mill, filter press, pug mill, semi-automatic and automatic forming machines, semi-automatic and automatic glazing machines. Nowadays, more and more customers want to have their own factory in their own countries. To find one who can offer all machines and technology is the most important thing. We are the one you are looking for. We offer one-station service. Our professional technical team will help you to establish a new factory from the beginning to the finishing products. The running machine is our full automatic forming machine. Have different models for making ceramic plates, bowls, mugs, cups and saucers. The full line including forming, watering, second dryer and glazing section. You may choose full line, or each section separately. We also have many kinds of glazing machines, manual, semi-automatic, and automatic one. For glazing mugs, plates, pots, bowls, cup and saucers. This glazing machines can do one color or two colors at the same time. Also can do inside glazing, outside glazing. Please tell us your requirements. We will design a unique production line for your factory needs. Welcome to visit us. Please feel free to contact with us. Looking forward to the cooperation between us.